AX Seashells Resort. 4 stars. Set on St. Paul's in Qawra, this seafront hotel overlooks the Mediterranean Sea. It offers a swimming pool with hydromassage corner, a splash pool with slide, and a wellness center. Seashells Resort, AX Hotels at Suncrest offers stylish air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, private bathroom, and a flat-screen satellite TV. Most rooms feature a private balcony with views of the sea. Very nice hotel, amazing food, helpful and welcoming staff, good location. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Breakfast was lovely, a lot to choose from. Location was brilliant for traveling around the island. Beds were very comfy and room were well equipped. Breakfast was amazing. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.